Hello, hujambo. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Hezron. My name is Teacher Hezron. Let me teach you this simple Swahili. How to introduce yourself according to your nationality, according to your country. Now, this is very, very simple. You simply start with letter M before the name of your country. Now, examples. I am a Kenyan. In Swahili say, Mimi ni Mkenya. Here we have letter M, Kenya, before the country, Kenya. So, Mkenya is a Kenyan. I am a Ugandan. Say, Mimi ni Mganda. Number 3, say, I am a Tanzanian. In Swahili is, Mimi ni Mtanzania. I am a Somali. Say, Mimi ni Msomali. I am a Nigerian. In Swahili say, Mimi ni Nigeria. I am an Ethiopian. Say, Mimi ni Ethiopia. I am an American. Mimi ni Marekani. I am a Chinese. Mimi ni Mchina. I am a Japanese. Mimi ni Mjapani. Now, the plural form, you don't use letter M before the name of your country, but instead, don't use it and use WA, which means wa. So, for example, sisi ni wa Kenya. We are Kenyans. Sisi ni wa Tanzania. We are Tanzanians. Sisi ni wa Nigeria. We are Nigerians. Sisi ni wa Jerumani. We are Germans. Sisi ni wa Ethiopia. We are Ethiopians. Sisi ni wa Ghana. We are Ghanaians.